Hi guys, good night. I hope that you're having a beautiful week. So as you can see, this week we are going to work on the unit 2 and lesson 3. Books are left in public places. Okay, so we're going to learn describing assistant, and also we are going to review simple present passive. So it means that we are going to review passive voice and the simple present. Okay, the first activity that you can see, it's an opener. What was the last book you read? What did you think of it? Where did you get it from? Where else can you get books? So you are going to think about these questions because we are going to discuss them in the previous, in the next Saturday, the next lesson, okay? So we're going to discuss a little bit about those questions. Then in the exercise number 2, this is reading. So you are going to listen this track, okay? The track 1.23. Read 3 books and find out why the books are free. Okay, so you are going to read this reading, okay, as you can see here. And after that, you are going to do the exercise number 3, the after reading. Answer the questions. What is the title of the paper bag? What are you invited to do? Whose idea was book crossing? Who is the website visited by? Where are books left? What are finders of books asked to do? So why not try it? Try what? Okay, so you are going to answer these questions based on the previous reading. Then we have a question. What about you? In what other public places would you leave a book? Which of your books would you choose? Okay, so you are going to discuss this in the next class, okay, next Saturday. Then we have the exercise number 4. This is pronunciation. Okay, so you are going to listen this track, the track 24th. And it says listen and repeat, linking consonant sound plus a vowel. Okay, so you are going to listen and pay attention how they are going to join the sentences to sound more like a native speaker. Basically, that's what you are going to listen. Then on the exercise 5, this is vocabulary. Match the phrasal verbs with their meanings. So here we have some phrasal verbs, as you can see in the word bank. Phrasal verbs with up, I think. Okay, so here we have some of them. Come up with, pick up, set up, give up, grow up, look up, stand up, and turn up. And as you can see here, we have the meanings. So you are going to read them and you are going to think about the meanings of these phrasal verbs, okay? Then on the exercise 6, this is another listening exercise. So listen and complete the text with these words. So as you can see, you have different verbs here and you are going to listen this, okay, the inside story, and you are going to complete it according what you are going to hear, let's say with these verbs. Then we have the exercise 7. This is speaking. Ask and answer the questions. What book would you like someone else to read? So we are going to do this exercise, the speaking part, in class. Probably it's going to be in the breakout rooms, okay? Then we have the exercise 8. This is writing. Write a short review of a good book using the questions in the exercise 7. We are not going to do basically this part because it's writing. So probably we're going to do it in a kind of presentation. That's basically what we are going to cover, that part. And then we have the exercise number 9. This is another speaking exercise. So we are going to do this exercise in class, so don't worry for that exercise because we're going to do it in class. Okay, the exercise number 9. And then here we have the word record quiz. So where the most newspapers sell, if you think that is in China or Germany or the UK. Then we have some other questions, as you can see, and we're gonna try to do this exercise basically. So it's basically according with the speaking part. This is make the questions in the word records quiz and choose the best answer if you consider that is A, B, or C. So that's why you don't have to do this part, because we're gonna do this part in class in a speaking way. Then let's go to the page 82. You're gonna go to page 82, okay? And basically you are going to, basically you have a review here about the use of the passive when that we are going to focus on the action rather than the subject. Remember, that is an important thing. For example, well, here you have some examples, okay? Remember that there is a structure that we are going to use. Basically, it's with simple present. We are going to have this structure, verb to be, am, is, and are, and the past participle of the main verbs. So it means that you have to review a little bit the past participles that you have on page 159. So let's try to review them. And after that, you are going to do this exercise, the exercise 6. Practice simple present passive. Write sentences using the simple present passive. Okay, for example, here we have sushi, eat in Japan. So you have the subject, the verb, and the object. So those sentences, as you can see, all of them are in active way. You have to change them into passive. So you have to write the sentence in a passive way, okay? So for example, sushi, eat in Japan. So you are going to read the object. Remember, the structure for the passive voice is going to change. So we are going to use the object, verb to be according with the object, then the past participle. Verb to be, remember, am, is, or are according with the object. Then the past participle of the main verb, that in this case is eat. So you are going to use the past participle. And at the end, you are going to use the subject. So remember that is going to be the structure for the passive voice. So that's going to be all that you have to do. Remember that you are going to have homework. Obviously, I'm going to send you the pages for the homework. And also you are going to have a quiz. Remember that the topics for the quiz are going to be so and neither, and gerund plus verb plus a gerund, or verb plus infinitive. So those are going to be the topics for that. So bye bye and see you next Saturday.